Good morning once again. So here I have a block of pastry, croissant pastry that I'm going to make cruffins from. So it's been given a 3-4-3 and you can see it's nicely shaped. 3 nice layers there. So I'm just going to open it out and I'm going to roll sugar in between the layers. You can see it now. Just going to open it out. Just going to sprinkle this with sugar liberally, spread it out. And then I'm going to use the weight of the rolling pin just to even out the sugar and roll it into it. And what this does is it sets a nice caramelised layer of sugar on the inside of the Cruffin. I'm just going to brush off the excess sugar off the table. So I have a brush, which is a table only brush. It's very handy, it just keeps everything very hygienic. So it's flour, sugar, or anything you need to brush off. This brush stays as a part of your equipment and is only used on the table. That way it's nice and hygienic. So here's my pastry. So I'm going to roll it out. And the thing about a Cruffin pastry is it's quite, you make them slightly thicker than other pastries. I'm not cutting the pastry this time. So notice I didn't cut the sides because I want to try and keep all that sugar inside. So the sugar will make the pastry a little bit sticky. So you just have to mind that the pastry doesn't get too sticky on the table. So you may have to dust it a little bit more. It's just the sugar is hygroscopic, it likes moisture. It'll absorb moisture from the air, from the pastry. It just makes it sticky, a little bit stickier and gooier when you're using it before. Now you don't have to put the sugar in, but I like to put a little bit of sugar in it. It just makes the cruffins nice and caramelised when they bake. So I'm almost down to about 6 mils there. Just going to square off the pastry. What I'll do is I'm just going to use the knife. I'm going to trim those down. The edges. I'm just going to divide the pastry then into 12. So that's 6. So each of these will be in half again. See that there? So the size of these pieces of pastry, they are 250 long and these are going to be divided in half by 30 wide. So I'm literally just going to mark these again in half. You can do it with the knife, just cut it. See the knife there. cut them down. So they're cut in half. So I have my strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can use large muffin shapes. I have these stainless steel hoops. And again, I'll just give you the dimensions. They are almost 70 by 60. Yeah, there we go, yeah, 70 by 60. To make a nice cruffin, you want the top to roll up when it proves. So one of the ways you can do this is you can offset the roll. So maybe if I do it this way, you can see it. So instead of rolling it straight like this, okay, instead of rolling it like that, we do it at an angle. So I'm leaving a little head sticking up in the middle. And see, as it proves, when it's in the shape, what's going to happen is going to prove outward, and then it can't go anywhere else because it's stuck in the hoop. And the pressure is going to push it upwards, and it's going to give you this nice crown that you see. And nice cruffins. So I'll just do the same again here. I'm just going to wind it. Create that crown. Okay. That's 2. This guy just fell out with the extra sugar. So the thing about a cruffin is you don't normally bake it with the filling. The filling goes in after the product is baked, and that is fantastic because you can do all sorts of things. You can use Nutella, you can use jam, you can use lemon curd, all different types of flavours, and they're all unique. They make the cruffin really, really nice. You can have a whole range of products from just one batch. And that's absolutely fine. So you're basically just built a snail, okay, nice snail in the middle. There you go, like that. There's lots of sugar there in between the layers, so you're going to get nice caramelization. Colours are going to be nice. A nice chestnutty colour in the pastry when it proofs and bakes. The other thing is it's going to be very crunchy because there's lots of space in those hoops for expansion. The metal on the side is going to bake out the pastry as well, and the sugar is going to crispen up and caramelize and make the cruffin really tasty, really crispy. So just 3 more to go. Last 2. So I'm left-handed, sorry, I've been blocking that a little bit. Yeah, lefties are awkward, like myself. So that's done. Just give you a peep into the trays. You can just see them there. have a dozen beautiful Cruffins waiting to prove and bake. Hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon. Bye.